Okay,
So
Greg.
David.
Greg. So, computer storage is
There's a truck going by, sorry.
a big truck
Big
going
truck.
by.
He has no problem with storage.
No, he doesn't.
So computer storage. Let's go back to
Computer storage.
Yeah.
The big thing that people are getting into it has always been the big question for backups and whatever and using computers. How long does the lifespan of computer storage? And specifically what I'd like to bring to attention are camera memory cards.
Oh, he got us started.
Yes.
Yeah, camera memory cards. So memory cards are solid state devices. They are
No moving parts.
no moving parts. They're a circuit board with transistors and memory chips, and you record your stuff on it, and it goes beep, 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 and it flips a bunch of bits on those chips, and then you plug it in to read it, and it goes read, and it takes all the data off those chips, and then it, you format it, and it goes be all zeros. The problem is that those cards, those little memory cards, USB sticks, SSDs, NVMe drives, all of the solid state memory, like a spinning platter, does have a lifespan. You can only flip those bits so many times.
Well, it's that, and it's also the electrostatic discharge.
But
and
they're also electrical devices.
yes.
And static
is
can
nasty.
absolutely smash those things to pieces. Now, obviously, that doesn't matter for SSDs and NVMe drives or PCI drives.
usually enclosed.
Because they're in your computer. They're not out in the open. But memory cards,
If you pop it out, pop it in, pop it out.
if you think about a memory card in a digital camera, you will pop that sucker in and out every time you finish shooting. And that means wear and tear on the points in the card, wear and tear on the pins in your camera and the contacts. And every time you pop that in and out of a card reader, there is a lifespan. Now, we have, over the last, 3 weeks, we've seen 3 cards go in our studio, and I've had cards go on mine as well. And all of those cards, they've been around for a year, right? Or more in some cases. There is a lifespan. They are not expensive, right? You can buy 5 32 gig high-speed SD cards now for
40 bucks. They're like $8
Canadian,
each. It's nothing.
40
with
bucks
free
Canadian,
shipping
with
on
free
Amazon.
shipping on Amazon.
No, we're not plugging Amazon.
No, it is absolutely worth it. Buy those cards knowing you're going to use them for 6 months or a couple hundred uses.
They've become
And
consumable.
then pitch them.
Yeah.
Don't risk your photos from your point and shoot or your DSLR, your mirrorless, or your video camera. Don't risk those. Buy a bag of cards.
Yeah.
Cycle through them if you want to, sort of extend the time before you start throwing them out. But they're cheap and they're definitely replaceable.
That's why you'll notice some of the Studio Pro camera gear has 2 memory slots in it, so you can put in 2 different camera cards.
Yeah.
It's exactly for that because it's so important.
Cards
and
fail.
the worst thing that you could do is, and I have run into this many times helping people out, where they don't even empty their camera cards and they have
Just keep
their
filling them up,
children's
filling them
special
up.
memories or wedding photos on there, and then it goes kaput. They try to go to London Drugs, Walmart, Costco, wherever to go and print some photos off, and it can't read the card, and they need to do data recovery, and it's a bad situation.
Okay, so replace your cards,
But also back
keep
it
them
up.
fresh, get extras, back your stuff up. But David brings another point, and that point is your phone.
Yeah.
This is not your photo album. This is your phone. When you take photos on this, upload to
Anything.
photos.google.com or Google Photos or iCloud or whatever. Do not assume that this is going to hold your photos forever. If they're important to you, transfer them. Get them off of your phone. Because all it takes is one drop and they're gone.
Yep.
So, replace your cards, back up your stuff. We'll see you next time.
Ding, ding.
Like, subscribe, all that
Ding,
stuff.
ding.
Cheers.
Ding, ding.